Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2011 RC Holden Colorado LTR dual cab. This shape ran from the 5th month 2008 to the 12th month 2011. This vehicle sustained damage to the left hand side. This vehicle is fitted with a 4JJ1 3.0 litre turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine, backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have bonnet, left-hand headlight, left-hand tail light. We have the tailgate, has a tidy rear bumper cover. Tow bar, right hand tail light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. "16-inch factory alloy wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. Left hand rear door. Right hand front door, right hand power door mirror, driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior, has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy manual transmission center console, factory AC controls, factory 6-stack CD player, tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy right-hand sun visor, has a automatic transmission instrument cluster, I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.